to get the registered, here is the username and the email. I will show you how you can post the listing on Canal Market Property. So here is the username. We just need to sign in. Okay, so this will be a page here. From here, we can edit our account to upload the logo and the other information. Here is the website, mobile number. So it's the profile page. We can update from here, and after to update the profile, from here we can post the listing. So here is the type you can select, and after that you will see that we have 10 free listing available. So if you want to post a free listing, then you can use this option, or you can purchase a plan for other featured listing. So these are the plans, but let me show you the free one. So for free one, you just need to select the category, and then here you need to fill this form, and here you will see the option to add new property.